Unit 7. Does it have a view? Page 44. Exercise 1. Snapshot. Listen and practice. House.
The house has 2 floors, a garage, and a yard. The first floor has a living room, a dining room, a kitchen, a laundry room, and stairs to the second floor. The second floor has a hall, 4 bedrooms, and a bathroom.
Apartment.
The apartment building has a lobby and an elevator. The apartment has a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, a bathroom, and a closet.
Page 44. Exercise 2. Conversation. Do you live downtown? Listen and practice.
Hi, Ethan. Guess what? I have a new apartment.
Hey, cool! Do you live downtown?
No, I don't. I live near the university now.
That's great! What's it like?
It's really nice. It has a big living room, a bedroom, a bathroom, and a kitchen.
Awesome! Does it have an elevator?
Yes, it does.
And does it have a nice view?
No, it doesn't. It has a view of another apartment building.
Page 45. Exercise 3. Grammar focus. Simple present short answers.
Do you live in an apartment?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Do the bedrooms have closets?
Yes, they do. No, they don't.
Does Ethan live in a house?
Yes, he does. No, he doesn't.
Does the house have a yard?
Yes, it does. No, it doesn't.
Page 45. Exercise 4. Listening. We have a nice yard. Listen to 4 people describe their homes. Number the pictures from 1 to 4. 1.
My family lives on the first floor of a house. Another family lives on the second floor. The people on the second floor are nice, but they're not very quiet.
2.
I live in an apartment downtown. It's in a large, modern building. I have a great view of the city, and I'm close to lots of stores and restaurants.
3.
My apartment is very small. It has just one room with a very small kitchen. It doesn't have a bedroom, so I sleep on the sofa.
4.
My family and I live in an old house in the country. The house is a little small, but we have a nice yard and lots of trees. We like it a lot.
Page 46. Exercise 5. Word power. Furniture and appliances. Listen and practice.
An armchair. A stove. Curtains. Pictures. A bed.
A table. A coffee table. A microwave. A refrigerator. Lamps.
A sofa. A desk. A coffee maker. A dresser. Chairs.
A mirror. A bookcase. A rug. Cupboards.
Page 47. Exercise 6. Conversation. I really need some furniture. Listen and practice.
This apartment is great, Laura.
Thanks. I love it, but I really need some furniture.
What do you need?
Oh, lots of things. For example, there are some chairs in the kitchen, but there isn't a table.
That's true. And there's no sofa in the living room.
And there aren't any armchairs. There isn't a rug. There's only this lamp.
So let's go shopping next weekend.
Page 47. Exercise 7. Grammar focus. There is, there are.
There's a bed in the bedroom.
There are some chairs in the kitchen. There's no sofa in the bedroom.
There are no chairs in the living room. There isn't a table in the kitchen.
There aren't any chairs in the living room.
There's equals there is.
Page 48. Exercise 9. Pronunciation. Words with th. Listen and practice. Notice the pronunciation of th and th.
There are 13 rooms in this house. The house has 3 bathrooms.
Page 48. Exercise 10. Listening. A furniture website. Listen to Jacob and Courtney talk about furniture on a website. What does Courtney like? What doesn't she like? Choose likes or doesn't like.
What website is that?
Oh, it's a furniture website. I'm buying a few things for the living room. Look at these blue armchairs.
They're really cool.
Yeah, I love them. I need 2 for the living room. But they're so expensive.
What about that sofa? It's really nice.
No, I don't like that color. And I have a sofa now. From my parents. It's blue too.
Hey, look at that rug. It's great. And it matches the chairs.
It's a little boring. Oh, I really like that coffee table.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Hey, you need a bookcase, right? Look at that bookcase.
No, I don't like it. It's too big.
Those yellow lamps are nice.
I don't need any lamps. And I don't like yellow. Oh, I know. I need some curtains.
Do you like those curtains there?
No, not really. Hey, look at that mirror.
It's great, but it's a little expensive.
That's okay. It's perfect.
Page 49. Exercise 12. Reading. Unique hotels. Which do you like, the world of science or the world of fiction? In this week's vacation post, we discover a hotel made for fans of nature and another hotel for fans of stories.
Bubble Hotel, Allo, France. Just imagine sleeping in a giant clear bubble in a forest. That's exactly what happens here. At night, hotel guests lie in bed and watch the stars and moon. Each bubble has a comfortable bed and a nice bathroom with a shower. There's also an air conditioner to keep the room cool in summer and a heater to keep it warm when it's cold outside. Each bubble room is different. Guests choose the Zen bubble if they want to feel relaxed. Or they stay in the love nature bubble for a beautiful view. Sometimes there are rabbits and squirrels playing outside. Is there anything missing? Well, yes. There isn't a TV because no one needs a TV in a bubble. The Roxbury, New York, the United States. In the mountains near New York City, there's a very unusual hotel. Its name is the Roxbury. It has many rooms, but every single room is different. There's the Wizard's Emeralds room, for example. It has a yellow road in the middle, just like in The Wizard of Oz. There's a green shower in the bathroom with big red flowers on the walls. Do you like sweet things? Mary Ann's coconut cream pie room looks just like a dessert, good enough to eat. The bed is round like a pie, and the ceiling looks like whipped cream. How about space? When you walk into George's space pad, you see an enormous red bathtub. It glows in the dark. There isn't a shower, but there are silver curtains, crazy lights, and 2 cozy sofas. It's really out of this world.